Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of Citi. Now Citi has multiple different credit cards, okay? They have the Citi Custom Cash card, earn $200 cash back after qualifying purchases. They have the Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard, earn 65,000 Advantage bonus miles after qualifying purchases. They also have the city's reward card, earn 20,000 bonus points after qualifying purchases, plus low intro APR. But today we will be talking about the Citi Double Cash Credit Card. Now, the good thing about this card is you can earn cash back twice on purchases with 1% cash back when you buy, plus an additional 1% as you pay for those purchases. They have the purchase rate at 18.99% up to 28.99%. APR is based on your credit worthiness. They have balance transfer rate 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers only. After that, the APR will be 18.99% up to 28.99%. Again, this is based on your credit worthiness. Now, the good thing about this card is to be pre approved, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. And if you're looking for a good credit card with low credit score or no credit score with high balances up to $50,000, this could be a great card for you. Okay. There is no annual fee, which is always great. There is an intro balance transfer fee of 3% of each transfer, minimum $5 completed within the first 4 months of account opening. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a really great credit card with high limits, Citi could be a perfect card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.